this is Lizzie B Jewelry. So I today have an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered several things off of Amazon for the business, for my jewelry making, and I'm super excited to open them up. I've had a couple of these for a few days, but I wanted to wait for everything to get here, except I'm missing like one package, but it's just some glue, so not super important. But I'm excited to get that because that's going to help with some of the stuff that I've got here, to try making a couple new types of jewelry. So let's just jump right in and get started opening this stuff up. I think I'm gonna open this box. Brought my handy dandy scissors out so it's not as hard to get into it. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. I think this is the heavy one, so this should be just the regular like epoxy resin. And the last batch of this that I had, I ordered like the same thing because it's been working really well for me. I don't get many bubbles in it and stuff, and it comes out really clear, so I just ordered the same kind again, and it lasted a really long time. And it is, of course, from from Let's Resin. Definitely like this brand. So, and I'm pretty sure it came with a few like extra little things in here, but this is what I've been using, and this just will last forever. I'm just almost out, and I've got a few molds that I got and some that are a little bigger, so I'm definitely gonna need some more of this. So very excited for that. And it always just comes with some extra stuff. I think this might be some gloves. It's got a few little disposable mixing cups with it, which I'm sure I'll use. Oh no, here's the gloves, so I don't know what this is. Oh, comes with some extra mica powder. I know I already have some bags of these. I mostly use like my little containers that I have, but I'll have to try this out because I don't know if I've actually used the Let's Resin mica powder before yet, because like I said, I've got like the little bottles that I got from somewhere else, so I'm definitely going to give this a try. I want to see what theirs is like. This little doodad. More little random doodads. Oh, and this is cool. I have one of these that probably came from the last batch of this that I ordered, which is this big mixing thing. It's silicone, so it's reusable, and that is awesome. So maybe for some of the bigger batches of things that I'm going to be doing here pretty soon, I will be using this mixing jar. All right, that's everything out of that box. Now, I don't know which thing is in which of these bags, so this is more of an exciting take it out and reveal. Okay, yes, this is one of the molds I got. I don't have one like this with kind of the curved mold, whatever you want to call it. There were a couple different ones online, but I liked this one because it has each little shape pretty much has two of it, so you can make earrings that are gonna match. Just get it out of this bag. You know what? I'm not keeping it in this bag, so I'm cutting the bag. There we go. Yeah, so there you can see each one kind of has its partner. So I can make some earrings. Some of them are really small, which is cool. I'm excited to try those. Some of them are a little bigger. Very excited to try this new mold out. There's that. Yeah, let's go with this one. Putting it upside down. If you hear any like background jingling noises or whatever, baby boy is down here with me right now. He wasn't quite ready for his nap when I was ready to film. So he's just playing and watching mama. Hi. Oh yes, okay. I'm so excited about this mold. And this was one of them why I decided I needed more resin, was for this one. Oh, and it came with 2. I didn't even realize that. Okay. I think it's 2 of the same, but that's nice because that'll mean I can make more than one at one time. I've mostly stuck to jewelry so far, so this is cool to make something a little bit bigger, but this is definitely going to go along with the theme of the jewelry. It's a little jewelry holder. Oh, I'm so excited. It's got like this piece is where the rings go on. And then I guess you just pour it obviously in the back there. And it's like a little flower shape. I am so excited. So this piece up here is just to like stand it, and then the resin stops like right there along those little petal shapes. And yeah, they're the same. So it came with 2. Awesome. I cannot wait to use this. I'm going to be making some videos probably either later today or tomorrow using this. So excited. Okay. Just get this one out of the wrapper. Yeah, same design. So cool. The first one I make of these will definitely be for my own use. I need one of these upstairs. All right. This one's jingly. Yes, okay. So, oh gosh, I forget what these are called. Bales? Yeah. I got all different colors, and that's kind of to go with these. When they come out of this mold, there's no hole in it, which usually the molds I've been using have a hole, and so I just put a ring through it and attach it, but these don't have that. And I was watching a video. Oh, there's baby boy talking. I think it was Glitz and Glitter, one of her videos, which shout out, she's awesome. I love her videos. She was using something similar to these on some jewelry pieces she was making, and I really liked it, so there we go. I'm going to be using some of these. Super excited to try these out, and this is mainly what that glue is for. It's the, I think it's called the E6000 glue. That's what she was using on hers. So there you go, there's that one, and then there's other shapes and other colors. Oh, this one's cute. This one's almost like a heart shape. It's kind of that bronze color. All this stuff came off of Amazon. I can link it down below in the description box if you guys are interested in any of this. And I'm gonna be messing with this stuff later, and I'm gonna film that, and then I will post that video and probably link it to this one so you guys can see how it all works. Let's see. Oh, yes. I definitely needed some of these. This was something I didn't really have, and I've been wanting to get. So these are silicone brushes. And it came with these bigger ones, and then it came with these smaller ones. And I think these are going to be super helpful in some of the designs. Oh, and these smaller ones have the little metal balls on the other end. Super helpful and just reusable. I've used like other paintbrushes and then obviously they just get ruined by the epoxy. And I think this is the last one, but I know what this is. I'm very excited to try this. I've been working with resin now for a couple years, but I actually, and this is embarrassing, I've never used UV resin. I've only used the epoxy, so I've been wanting to get UV resin for a while now. I, of course, got the Let's Resin brand because I'm definitely a fan of their stuff so far. And I think it's just going to be super helpful with some of the stuff that I'm trying to make because I'm trying to do some different stuff, a little bit more creative. Okay, so it came with some little silicone cups. They're a little bent, but I think they'll straighten out. And these little tools that are also silicone, awesome. But this is like a silicone mat. I really already have some of these, but always good to have an extra. And the actual resin, it's 200 grams. So there's 100 grams in each bottle. And I think they're the same, yeah. Cool. And a little light. I got the kit, so I think I have an UV light for some nail stuff that I've done in the past, but I wanted to get the kit, so I made sure I had one of these. And I've seen obviously other YouTubers here on the platform using much bigger and better lights, so I will probably invest in one of those eventually, but I just wanted to get a start and get a feel for how the UV resin works and see if I really like it, which I have a feeling I really will. So that is super cool. And I've also seen some people talk about you needing like a top and bottom light, so I was even thinking there might be a way for me to kind of put together some sort of setup where I use the other UV light that I already have and this one. Or I did see another person, who was it? I can't remember. I was watching a bunch of videos the last couple of days who had like a mirror and then put the light on top of it, and so then it reflected, so it gave the bottom some UV at the same time. But otherwise I know you just can flip them over. So, you know, we'll see what we can do. But that is everything I got, I believe. Yeah, that's everything. So I'm super excited to give this stuff all a try and see how it goes. Later today, I'm definitely going to be filming. If you guys have been watching my shorts, you will have seen me making these, which I did these out of the epoxy resin. They're already cured, so I want to do something over top of these, some flowers or something to jazz them up, especially the white ones are going to look really cool. And then put a clear layer of the resin over top of those. And I also did these. I love this shape of this pendant. It is so cool. So I just did the black resin in there. I mixed it with the black mica powder that I have. I love how they turned out. So I'm going to definitely do some little flowers kind of coming down and then fill in over top of them with some clear resin. So we will see how those turn out. Alright, well I think that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, I'll link in the description box what I got so you guys could go and check it out, and stay tuned for the next video that's going to come after this one to show you what I do with all of this stuff. So awesome, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my website. It is busybeejewelry.com, where you can find and purchase some of the jewelry that I've made here. So awesome, thank you. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.